So this recipe calls for strong hot coffee, and all I have is hazelnut. So I'm gonna give it a try because hazelnut and chocolate go well together. All right, I gotten dressed and now I just need to decorate the cake. I need to assemble it basically. Gonna be pretty basic, see how this goes. I am not a professional cake decorator, obviously. I'm gonna even out the layers a little bit and then ice it. We'll be good to go. Wash my hands. I do have these though. This is a Swiss meringue buttercream icing. It is amazing and it's gonna look great on this cake. Nice and light. It is very homemade looking and I wish I had a better base, but I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna do. So I'm really happy with it. For my first go at a 2-layer chocolate cake, I think I did decently. So next time you see me, my friends will be here for the party. Now, just want to make it clear, I did not plan this party. This is Anita's party. It's her brainchild, but it's in my house and I help decorate and cook some stuff because, you know, we're all friends and we love each other. So yeah, here we go. I just wanted to, did you talk to her about that? Or is there something that you told me?
If we, whatever we can do. But.
Hi! We're all wearing nothing. I'm like, we have an animal print theme today.
What's happening?
Welcome. I opened the door like, hello, we've got, hi. I am so glad that even through the pandemic, the Lord has kept us. What? You did it! Like, I genuinely,
Praise
like,
the Lord.
I'm like, even when I go grocery shopping, I'm like, all right, time to go home. Like, I want to be with y'all, and that's I'll say it again for the camera. Elevation.
Happy birthday. That's where we're going. Well, all I'm saying is we're starting on the same note. We're starting on the same note. If you know how to harmonize, please do. Like Chastity, jump in. I know we're singing to you, but we need the 3 parts, okay? I don't know about that. Oh, I want to start on the same note. That's the key here. Happy birthday. 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anita, Tonsilella, and Chastity. Happy birthday to you. We're wrapping up. What time is it, actually?
Like probably 1 p.m., 1 a.m. No, 11:55.
It's close. Well, since the time just changed, it is almost 1 a.m. To our body. So we've had such a good time.
We did it!
I don't think that I did a very good job of vlogging all of the conversation, but you know, we're friends, hanging out, sharing life. This is the end of the vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining. It's been so fun sharing the day with you, especially the cake.
Never that.
First time baking a sheet cake, and it came out, man, the hair is lopsided, but this is hair at 11:55. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.